It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're doing another adventure. It's been a while, but the time has come that my dad and I, who's sitting there eating, are gonna go to the south of Belgium again and do a big circle. The circle is a route called 1,000 Turns in Dutch. It's a very beautiful route that used to be kind of a competition that on a Saturday people do the route and on the Sunday they do it again, and the ones that have the least amount of time difference between them, they win. So we're not gonna do that, but it's just a very nice route, so that's what we're doing today. I expect we'll be on the saddle a long time today, because it's about 2 hours and a half ride over there, and we're probably gonna take some breaks and maybe some detours and stuff like that, so yeah, it's gonna be a long day. I also got a microphone for my birthday, so I'm gonna be able to talk in my helmet from now on, which is great. So yes, I hope you enjoy. We made it to the starting point at this lovely church. We have already the hills behind us, and we set up our TomTom GPS, so we're ready to go. My dad's on his Royal Enfield Himalayan, and I am on the CB500X. So let's go. This is like coming to another country. South of Belgium. It's actually funny because we in Belgium, we call this part of Belgium our mountains, but actually the highest point in Belgium does not technically class as a mountain. It's just an inside Belgian joke, so now you know. Unfortunately, many roads here are not that great, so we're gonna have to be careful, but most of them are okay. Alright, this is what we came for. Great. Look at those mountains. Wow. Mountains. Look at this bridge. Wow. It is so worth it to ride here for 2.5 hours on the highway just to get this. So worth it. We stopped again. We found this little road that goes off into the distance with this view, which cannot get any better in Belgium, I think. Maybe it can be, but it's a nice view. There is the road. You can see the cars. It's just a right and then this beautiful spot. It's very cinematic here. So we're gonna take a break. We're gonna eat something quick and then ride on. These moments that you come across things that you don't expect and they're so beautiful, those are the best moments. Now it's going downhill. Downhill is a bit tricky sometimes because you pick up speed quite fast, so you really have to brake strong or enough to slow down to a proper speed to take the turn. But yeah, we're in La Roche. It's a very famous little town or little city. Came here on vacation a couple of times, so it's a really familiar place for me. It's in this valley, this little valley between the mountains, as we call them. So you see here, who wouldn't call that a mountain? That is a mountain. There's this big castle in the middle of the village. It's really cool. By coincidence, we passed the camping that I went to with my girlfriend Sylvia in September, and I made a video about it. I'll link it here. Yeah, so I know this place, and I did a small off-road track here, and it's right ahead of us, so we're gonna do a little part off-road. There's always off-road every time. Alright, this was a part I was talking about. Fun little track. I did this in the slippery mud in September, so if I can do it in mud, I can do it in the summer as well, even though I've got panniers on this time. It's winter, but feels like summer right now. The sun is out. Last time I didn't go here, so we're gonna check it out. Nice forest. A cliff on the right hand side. And a river, a lake, very nice. And we're back. Three, two, one. Damn. Damn, it's a dam. Lol. Haha, this is a perfect spot to stop and have a break. My dad's gonna cook something. What are you gonna make? Spaghetti?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Spaghetti bolognese. Alright. Great for him. I won't be able to enjoy it because of the fucking coronavirus. Anyways, nature and my motorcycle in this environment, so majestic. I love it. I decided to park it here instead of next to the boring road, and I am really glad I did. Just when we arrived, the shit car came by with all the manure in it to farm his fields. So yeah, that's going on. So we are smelling the shit, but it doesn't matter. It's all part of the experience, I guess. Yes, I love the water. I always like to go towards water when we ride. I always want to stop at water. Yeah. This is a great day. A really great day. It's been too long since we've done something like this because of work and the winter. So we're gonna do more stuff like this in the future and more often. Alright, we are back where we started, the little church right here. So yes, our little Twisty tour trek is done. It was really fun, I recommend it. I will link the GPX file below, or I'll give you a link where to download it. So yeah, go ahead and download it and have fun if you're from around here. Really great trek. We're gonna get some gas and then we're gonna ride the long ride back home, the 2 hours and a half on the highway. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. We're on our way back, we're almost home, it's 1 hour ride left. Anything to add?
It was fun.
It was fun.
So that's the main thing. The weather was nice. Great scenery.
All true.
All you need.
I agree. I hope you enjoyed the video and now guess the smooth card.